What it do, back again coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this hairdo for you, and I promise you, you want to stick around for this one. Boo. Boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have something really special for you. This one is innovative, very interesting, I must say. First of all, let's just jump right on into it, okay? Today's hair is by Ft.UNICE, and y'all already know they have really great quality hair, and I am absolutely in love with the unit that I have on. Would you believe me if I told you it's a 7x5? This is not a full frontal. It's pretty wide though. It's wide, like you get a lot of like lace to play with, and all I have is this area right in here kind of melted. It is super easy. Anyways, let's get into this. This is the 7x5 replaceable closure wig. I hope I said that right. So basically you buy one unit and you can replace the frontal. So there are two options that you can replace on the unit. Like I said in the video, let's say you're going somewhere, you just want to change it up a little bit. You have the blonde, the brown highlights. Put this on. Don't worry, I'm going to show you in the video. Okay, we're just talking about the specs of the hair. Make sure you check right here. Everything is going to pop up as usual. And then you have the lighter blonde. So you can literally switch out the frontal of this unit to have three different looks. Like, I just think that that's innovative. Okay, whoever came up with this idea, they need a raise. I'm gonna give you a close-up of what's going on here. It's actually a Velcro hook system, and it's really easy. It was too easy, actually. All right, so you can switch it out. I think it's a really cool idea. Right now I'm rocking it straight black because I just love this. And let's talk about the hair quality. This hair is so silky smooth. It is so soft and luxurious feeling. Do you see the shine? And it came pre-curled like this, by the way. I thought I was gonna have to take it out of the box and do all of that. No, girl, it's pre-curled. This is one of them pre-everything wigs. Pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-blended, ready to go, pre-styled. Like, it is gorgeous. They say it's 180% density, but I feel like it's even more full than that. You're gonna see it in the video. Like, this is just extra upon extra, extra everything, extra body, extra lace, extra closure. I just really like the idea. I think it is super cool. Whoever came up with this, I just think innovative. I love it. Not a bad idea at all. Make sure you check the description box. Everything will be linked down there for you. All the information on this hair and anything that I forgot to say, I'm gonna have it pop up on the screen. All right, but for the most part, I always put all the specs and all the information right in the description box, so make sure you check them out. And Ft.UNICE never failed. Y'all already know. How many times have you heard me talk about Ft.UNICE? How many times? They have never failed. They always have really good quality hair. And the fact, there's no concealer, there's no makeup. I'm gonna give you a close-up, don't worry. Anyways, let's get right on into the styling of this video. Let's go. Okay, so I have on one of the units. The only thing I'm not gonna do in this particular hair video is stick it down like I normally would, because I would put some mousse, my melting thing. I'm not gonna be doing that today because I want to showcase the three frontals with this unit. I think that this is just so innovative. So this is the actual closure that it comes with, and the hair is already curled. Ugh, it's giving luxury at an affordable price. It's giving luxury at an affordable price. Imagine you're going somewhere, like you just need a different look. Just need a different look. And maybe you did something with the first one, you layered it, you put bangs, you just did something, you see what I'm saying? And now you just stuck a little bit and you're like, I want to change it up a little bit. I want some highlights. Boom. We can go in with the highlights. Girl, we got two highlights. We got like a brownish highlight and a blonde highlight. Like, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna switch it up. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna take this off and let's try the brown one. Okay, so I hope you guys can see. Right here, there is a little hook, okay? I believe it's 3 hooks, and there's a little fabric, a loop to help you guys, okay? So you just want to unhook it, and it's literally a Velcro material, and you just want to peel it back, super easy. So the hook is going to keep it in place, this little hook right here, and very easy to find. You are not going to get lost, and you just peel it back. And then you get to the second hook, which is in the middle. Now this hook is like a bra strap type of hook. They don't have the other hook in there, okay? And you're just going to, let me zoom in some more, girl. Okay, and we're back. This is actually really, really easy and super cool. So then you have like the bra strap type of hook, and you're just gonna unhook that. And you're gonna continue to Velcro, pull it apart. And then you get to the last hook. Like I said, yeah, it's 3 hooks. And with this hook, you're just going to detach it. And you're separated, and you're ready for the new one. With the bottom half, this is the bottom half. I'm just gonna lay it across the mannequin so it's a lot easier, and I'm gonna pin it in place. The hook, loop it through the material. Boom, that's actually easy. And then we're gonna start lining up the Velcro and the thingamajiggy. We're just gonna line it up and lay it across. It's already sticking. So you guys can see. We're just laying it across, lay it across. And then we're gonna hook the centerpiece. Boom. Oh, that's easy. Line it up, and with the other hook, just loop it in there, and it's attached. And she's ready to go. Let's put her on. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that light too bright. That light too bright. Let's bring her down. Who is this? This is Hee. That ain't me. Bring it back down. This is very creative, very artistic, and actually very functional. Great for a night out. You just want to switch it up. So this is the highlight on top of the bottom area. So the bottom half of the wig is just black. It's jet black. And then you have like the little highlights with the frontal. Like, look at blendage. The hair is actually really, really beautiful. So luxurious though. Stop playing. Stop playing. Like, it's really beautiful. This is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Okay, let's do the blonde one. Ooh. Let's do the blonde one, girl. I'm not mad at it. Let's put it on. I think they're all 9x6. All of the frontals, you know, and it's supposed to mimic like a frontal. Not a full frontal, but you get it. You can part it on the side. You can do it down the middle. And it doesn't feel bulky or anything, like it's laying flat. Once you just layer the front or layer the frontal, don't touch the back. Always, that way you can switch out the different frontals and it always be seamless. Like, you just want to layer and play in the actual frontal area, not in the back of the unit. I think that's very important to keep in mind, because if you chop up the back, you're gonna have to chop up the rest of the frontals. You don't want to do that. So leave the back area, and then you can play with the top and you can have different looks. Makes sense? So I'm gonna switch back to the black one because that's the vibe I'm going for. So how easy with that? So I switched it back out. I put it on the way it came, which was the black one. Came with the middle part. As you can tell, I changed it up, styled it a little bit. We're only gonna be styling one girl because I'm just here to showcase you what's going on here. But I really like the idea. They, like I said, 7x5, a lot of parting space. That's a lot. It's pretty wide. Like, you can tell it's gonna fit from here to here. They really did their thing with this. I'm not mad at this at all. You can have 3 different looks just like that. Boom, boom, boom. Really, really creative. I just really like it. I think it's yeah. Go ahead, do your thing now. You nice, go ahead, do your thing, all right? But like I said, I switched it back to the black because it is the autumn season. I'm getting into my dark hair. I really like this, love everything about this. The makeup is sitting, a little fall beat. Yes. Anyways, make sure you check out Ft.UNICE. Everything will be linked down below. I really like the idea. This was really super easy, and I love the hair. The hair is high quality. The hair is giving luxurious. Okay, I have not seen one gray hair anywhere Okay, they did their thing with this. They did their thing with this. I really love this. Let's bring this around the front so you can see all of this hair. Like, look at all of that body. Absolutely gorgeous. This is so pretty. Anyways, make sure you check them out. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Share the video. Sharing is caring. And I will see you guys really soon on Sunday's vlog. For those of you who are coming here for the hair, I also vlog as well. All right, so yeah, make sure you check out Unice. Everything will be down below. I really like this. This is very interesting. Very, very interesting. Really great idea. And yeah, I will see you guys real soon.